Hello, my coder cats and coder kittens. This is Becca, as usual, going by Netcat or Netcats Meow most places online, and welcome back for another Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the specific syntax and arguments for a given LSL command for your quick reference convenience. So today I'm just going to quickly reference llSetTexture. As often, these are inspired by whatever I'm doing in my Coder Kitties workshop videos. That is not what I needed. llSetTexture. You can do this a couple of ways. If you have a full permission texture, you can go to it, choose right-click, choose Get UUID, at which point you can plug it in between a couple of quotation marks and tell it which side to put it on, or in this case, for convenience, we can do all sides. Save. That automatically puts that texture on there. The other option you can use is, we'll use this one just for convenience. And that's how that works. If you have a texture inside, you can reference it by name. If you don't have a texture inside, you can reference it by its UUID. However, bear in mind, the UUID, you can only get that in a case of the thing being full perm. So that is llSetTexture. You can also set that for different faces. So we'll do one more little bit here. UUID, paste, 1, save. And there we go. That set one side to a different texture. So that was llSetTexture. As usual, these are my short little single command reference videos. If you want something more in-depth to teach you how to use them, I have another weekly series, Coder Kitties Workshop, where every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson, where I go through teaching you how to use LSL to create all sorts of strange and occasionally useful objects to play with in Second Life. Are lists to play. There's links to playlists for both Coder Kitties Workshop and Coder Kitty Decoded in the description for this video, as well as links to my Discord where you can ask questions, meet other people. We have a nicely growing community. Look forward to seeing you there. So that'll be it for now. Good day, good luck, good week, happy coding. Meow.